Welcome to our channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Please wear a helmet always and ride safe. Today we have an interesting update on Royal Enfield electric bikes. So please watch our video without skipping to know all the details. After the FAME 2 revision by the central government of India with the hike in subsidies, the automobile industry is witnessing huge orders and bookings for electric vehicles. The current electric vehicle manufacturers like Ather, Revolt, Ola, TVS, and Bajaj are receiving an increase in bookings for their electric scooters and bikes. The electric vehicle segment is on the rise like never before, and it is due to a hike in fuel prices. The automobile companies are trying to utilize this opportunity by introducing their variety of portfolios with electric scooters. After seeing this rise in activity in the electric segment, the leading automobile manufacturer Royal Enfield, which has a huge fan base in India for its retro-styled bikes, has announced its plans towards the electric segment. Royal Enfield's parent company, Eicher Motors Limited, recently shared its annual report, and in the corporate review section Siddharth Halal, MD of Royal Enfield, revealed that the company is working on a complete range of premium electric vehicles. He added that these vehicles will feature retro styling like the company's current models. Siddharth Halal went on to say that the electric vehicle segment is gaining momentum with positive policy action. With an eye on the future, we are strategically working on developing our future electric vehicle products, while we continue to work on our internal combustion engine offerings. We have state-of-the-art capabilities in product development and manufacturing, coupled with a strong brand and an extensive distribution network. Royal Enfield's electric vehicle plans first came to light back in 2018, when the company's president at the time, Rudra Tej Singh, was quoted saying, "Royal Enfield has several projects in the pipeline and the electric platform is one of them. We are in an investment phase in the project where we have a team that is working on different ideas and concepts with a long-term focus. We will disclose our plans at an appropriate time." This makes clear that the Royal Enfield has long-term plans towards introducing its electric portfolio, and it is very soon going to happen in the reality. As we are already aware of its short-term plans like revising its current portfolio with some major updates for its bikes including Classic 350 and Bullet Standard 350, and introducing few other new bikes into the market very soon this year. Thanks for watching our video. If you like to hear more updates from us often, then please don't hesitate to subscribe to us.